Mariola hino bali anala bambang ka wirikiti ka bambang katwa nyama e badinglu anal badi malam e Mr. Tenkobo aka I'm the only romantic man in my village. Which village? The biggest village in the Gambia. Ladies and gentlemen, binna kachame ni fanda men na bi wala kita mintiko nesan funding ko me annoko ay wat jambake iskulo to ndesane a meta iskulo to min dara fo sangi yato sangi min dara fo sangi tang anin killing primary 1 ngaje kumko kabri ñu funding ko ñu kela bankun kan so mona kindang I tell Kobo also, I will not stand in the wall. Hey, that one is very dangerous. I will not stand in front of wall. Kaitan de Komko, Ndrefrana Bankunkan, Nasiva Sotogele. Katungindeke 15 years in grade 1. So, Ndelefanang Nasifa Nyong Sotole in our country. So, Kaitan de Dunya Komko, Atali our fall damban si proud no al the mola kafako, I 15 years lege in grade 1. Fall ko tane dunya la. Fall malon telefonan ko, mpana nga sotole ko 8 years in grade 4. Inshallah jana ngado programme ko no e nyaata itamale ñu member team platform ko jang e please do all your effort and subscribe in this channel. Because do bagal because in kacha full ni for the sense. Obi-Wan mako ngata Obi-Wan ngata nga video jibe please for the Raj asma nga video jibe yes sangi tane lulu andiamo
ko amusibya n'ishuri ngaza gukundire aragenda
atitaye
kuba muci intege aragenda aragenda akiga abona abaye wa nyuma.
It might sound weird, but this is true. This man has spent 15 years in primary 1. He has repeated several times that he doesn't even remember. Teachers said that it's impossible for him to graduate. Those who started school with him are now medical experts, pilots, and teachers, like this teacher who studied with Joseph. She graduated, came to the school, and became Joseph's teacher. Teachers insist that Joseph's poor performance might hinder him from graduation. But why did Joseph spend all these years in one class? How did he even make this possible? Due to spending many years in a single class, other students always bully and troll him, saying his head is empty. They also say he's soon getting his pension because he's approaching the retirement age. The mother to Joseph says her boy's passion and zeal to learning is on another level. Joseph focuses and puts more effort in class, but all efforts never pay him back because at the end of the term he always comes last. And no one fights the last position with him. He's always guaranteed the last position. He has 21 years, but no one believes he's that old. Due to his dwarfism, he looks younger than that. Meet our friend Joseph.
Nitwa Nyiraneza Donata.
He spent a lot of years in one class that some of his former classmates have graduated their universities and even started their professions. Yet for him, he's still in this class. We visited him at school and his class teacher tells us more of Joseph.
Nitwa Chantal Umuhoza, nkaba umwarimu w'ishuri ribanza rya Gisanze.
I'm a teacher at this school and I'm a class teacher to Joseph. He has studied at this school for a long period of time. I started teaching him since 2018. He tries being attentive in class but has a problem of forgetting. Whenever I'm teaching a new lesson, I make sure he sits with other smart children who also help him understand the new topic. But still, after a few minutes, he forgets what he has learned. This teacher says that Joseph is always trolled by other students from upper classes who passed and left him in this class. They always call him old man and he's not happy with it. The teacher insists that she also studied with this man back in 2006. She finished primary, joined high school and graduated from high school and university, then became a teacher and found Joseph still studying here. She says, according to how she sees Joseph, it's hard for him to graduate.
Kuzaba umuperezida. Ngomba kwiga ugatsinda.
I want to be a president after graduating. I'm confident enough that one day I'll be a president to this country.
Yeah. We all see the video. And we all see the effort how Ndoge is trying. And amongst all this story, this Ndoge want to be a president in their country. So why meaning Ndoge get a president in their country? Why Ndreferante Oboykra president in Gambia? Why? But Oboy fana ningin tema a dawdata bari janimbe Oboy fana waccholo be mbabe wanyana fulo e obi wan e be mako obi ni kay mati ngi dunya ka do fana mari katam mila dawul ni hakilo diata do hakilo diateti ni ko hakilo ko yara do hakilo ko yara di ka be fonde hey obi wan Kumaru ay because nyimbo na fekla president Oboy konkomba fay ko nana Oboy fanam because ndoke plan ko at 15 years like a grade one Oboy fanam ngala jibi ko jiba Oboy jolle ki because ndema fo Oboy fa 4 years like a for 2 years like malo but nga jiba because me bas kente mistake because down 2 years like so nga jibe Oboy jolle ki sign not like 2 years like grade 2 e grade 4 I'm unnecessary ngani nyin compare because ani nyin tema ku jambaye atodun that's a long distance but ning atre come go just like 4 wala 5 or 6 vale betima we can sasa tul nole after mbakir no nyadi la hanga wala waheni so obivan ngata Oboy fananto nga Oboy jibe why defende proud la Oboy la baw nyin dommol wala proud te italale foy kay tande dunya kono wa gwan so obivan ngata
grade 1 nara for grade 4 grade 4 nchanda oronga maranga 8 years ka orala
grade 4 damma 8 years
ya ngamere
obo atinyate bulle tonya jitu na do bije yo si fam bax ila mo ila time man bax obo ngata
ye ngabana grade 4 nga 8 years ki jela
muna ne 8 years ke grade 4
kungu jarale mbukata
no ibuka exam o pass
no amange muka exam o fon ke ndakara class o kono le comme no muka exam o ke da
no but obo 8 years plus your year your years what the makamim ko tabina 45 years ke grade 4 okay,
No.
ten yes sense for
yeah so more grade 9 more than 8 years maybe I'm aussi because ning school exam o kanasi mbo sonkara school ning exam o banda nka sida ma grade 4 kana wolto ni na buku kutolo nga sije so ngara class o fon kono to buka tara fen ko
so e katar feala do
ndaka tara siri ngere do ni men nata ngasa fe
subhanallah la ilaha illallah alhamdulillah la tabarakallah la ilaha akbar hey I don't die oh boy ipare you will go back to school again first nyimbo Saturday because he ningin tema just 4 or 5 feet that he nyimbo 8 years so you number 15 years la ilaha ya yindo yale ko yindo ka ni mel kantanyola dolu bi jewol mo pilot lati dolu je teacher dolu je medical no doctor la motino yaji the same thing apply to Oboy too Oboy ni ensa fal be grade 3 you understand sorry grade 2 Oboy ni ensa fal grade 2 together with he ensa fal you understand yes Oboy ni ensa fal grade 2 so why ensa fal yes and lead cousin Oboy ni ensa fal wala me class clean but side wala president gi no side Oboy wonder shall never end. Yene kene mene. Adi amasya. Yaje. askinyadi abata warta akoya shada. I remember a day the funding yo lolamu afendi biablan Spain. You funding yo ate Yintara school ndel ninga feel ndel Yintara canal. Guys, the parents all like, oh, we don't pass. We try, we don't pass. We don't know book. Understand? So from there, Mate, Ninyimbo, na ate finkita, ate kata si Tomboron Jure Santo. Yadam peno dolbije, peno ni pen killing number 3-4 kola soto. Yimbo inekata si Konko Santo. Timinge fenko mbije he aro he nya boy mo tomoro jobi la ka chusanto so badalo mo num tamol ma ABC karambak so ning ala tichele akaje 15 aka 00 flako aje ni akaje 10 ay 0 flako honanto wala mistake ay 0 killing code aje so ni akaje 20 as a mistake I 0 killing the wala 0 flag je one day ndata la soko na mfuta ko ni 10 kobo nko ye ko da dojo soto ndema pass ibano ko he ba ila mu akada baket nko jwa ko kewa je nko kewa gel bande nki ba kashi adun telu mo kilin da wol dang adun tana do mo kilin fani la soko jang fu borom kewa tibo fu jwa mo folo kadi ko nyoko mo kine dam because mo tati folo be class ko so ndanga tati trita yala olon de ay try so tati fo men fana ngala men kan natolo ni jang fo ba len ko ra ko jande ko ti jang ata fana ko nyoko kewa try baake e kewa samba mama ya samba fandi ma ya kay ko ya ba kewa kana baake hinna billahi yaji so from there yaji come go 2000 dollar be 150 or 1500 kaita killing bala test kaito bala yala kaito min that English math science you kaito dai gima ko English 1500 math 2000 understand so SES 4000 haje so kibangi sifal so tayi juma yo kante people killing them 2000 5000 10000 haje ha bar kimin fami kaito fankaranga wanya English kay ba kay na ya kay la indi mo ni inna lillahi akabna bawul na ma position si fad ngay ndanga position aka down 100% but in 5000 10000 15000 1500 kal day ko ko tan ko ana be fam belief aji so therefore after last day na ko nyemenki ayak afule you understand but ni exam fengeta mbukata understand ban dani na fail sanje kilindron sanje flanya katale so one day ten dara na teacher kan kay teacher so ba untel war problem wrong after all andu na problem be sungu nulo ndel sungu nulo man ka fight ndel ninke ka fight ndel sungu nulo dro ya je tok wala dalo ka hol sungu mu flan ndel man kilam furar ay ngaka wala foyta de so one day teacher mun samba assembly molle ndara master kan kay master ko nina ako nyoko te ke kanam bay flan bebe high school e flan bebe grade 12 e mesteri njang kay say nde lafta ko pinna kenye ako nyola munti ngale mpus na lafta ngabuja ali mpus haji ali mpus nga graduate nga da grade 10 please ali mpus on me grade 2 mo me grade 2 kana pousa ta fo grade 10 pour ça que problème o nyame yaje so wada ka sila ka mana me me kay ndi non le non nka sa lukat isa fu ngi ndo ha e kema ba lu ndo isa fu nyako dindem so ndr mu yombo le di non bla nga free nka fo na felo no e ni ko ya fa mpus so yaje after na try nga bon de projet fu na hata secondary school oto so mi trasaro je aggregator le kati understand so mbije from there we are in grade 7 understand so niki ambe nakula yalo je aggregate le kataji Saya mbora ñim person taba aggregate le fa ni aggregate le fa ñaat li ñola. We don't suffer. Yeah, this school. We don't suffer die. Oh. Ndara gira de 7. E ke wa samba rectangle le samba triangle. Ya même makara la kana rectangle ni triangle. Ndebe kara moment ba bila kana ba ko kana circle square. Kata la balle bo la ko. Ja harol to la do. Ba dana mo ni triangle. Ida ay rectangle. La mi supportar. De la mi chifti. Gawe wele. So yembo hando kiji kata aggregate data mi data. You see? 3 ben kunal de. 3 ben kunal nga 53 bond je. When the last man go 54, nga 53 pass je. Some futara, do you know what they did? Go congratulations. Ila kiyo janka pass la aggregate 53. Understand? They take me to party. Yen samba party la, you know. So you know, if you sanye, you know, so all the pink and day sanyanga. Me ba uga, you know. And I think I pass, oh. I think I pass. Because 53. Jala maka 53 sort no je. I only get 10, 15. You know, 53 sort no je. 53. Only me. The whole school. 53. So nga jala kiyo na de 54 ta, you know. Nga jang kay ngatra bakal. You see? 54. Jala jibe, jala na kada hambara. English, you know, nga 10 sort of 15. But look at that. 54, 53. But in the down. So in some party, like, you know, in some no so like cool Kenya hanga because of my position. So na bijangal kay no. So na cousin brother we aggregate 6 letter. So na habi yalo because private school yalo ate ibe jiru yalo. Ila kadu ba niya 6 10 yolo wal mu hay finkalo ka yalo, you know. So you don't yalo start if you see vex. My father start to be vexed and my uncle, I know, they vex. No, that didn't tell a finger, but I will know. Only chill and nose after one day, you know, my cousin brother in America, United States, you know, after you know, all X then you know, so I can cousin were 6 position at anger. So 10 go at a 28, 50, 53 at you can watch him be boss of a fake up here. The baby green legend 10 go women do after the ning. Yaron didn't know falling in a family. And a private school time and so be about saying Kaji. Don't want to fall. Kayo na go 54, 53. Ako niya ko barin nung kain na. Ako niya gano'n ko kain 54, 53. Ako niya aggregate 53 kaya. Which school? Ay, Mulumbas. 53. Salala shala bela shala la mamla sulayo muramul benta munakata ko albegos ñi mel na jang ñe class bondi ñi mital la fay bandi school la ñi fawto bondi la first class ala bondi ane kanyi membulatan alla ñu ko sene membulatan de ñi al beten ko bo yanda ale fol be saate ka samba patilla siman ni ku ko la ñi ndombe siri njang fay malon ko ngini akata mi ten ko bola ko how when where ten ko bo 53 mo killing all down again go uncle don't provoke me oh ka fon day 53 billahi karamu day la jayinde san ba jax 54 53 ngoto de kañali okay ani nga chef karamu tout monde do banda fat karamu day do mon tamon sama dogo sama magge nako dina mais 6% bala beke tata mi je from there ta parapata ngola yaji e fon kurusa e ko fa fa santé ata fon kurano ala fon kurano mvodore en décembre repeat yes konye ko here is your seat ngo fo mambo janne ko nyi ba mulu ka janne ko le man ko la xale ni ko ala kire ko bil ni ñamo inda ko hinta samba class ke ndokon hey if you see again mur na sid la ngata din do fi ñon ka ñambo noro e ko fo tam ñen ko je ñi be tan ngala ko janne ya may ya long so I'm telling you the real wo. So we try until town to Botale. Until Botale. Yes. Ndala batale ndara mechi karanga ndara bul la fe viola no. Yaji ala mo be tunga karang kam. Odari nde karanga like karang ndaman karanga like karamante like manyo like nga bula. Aje na bo fa the same thing. But bi afenda be Spain bi ala ma ki karanga nazi no. Bi abe Spain bala ku karanga na la family be tanga ba tingi tanga nicely no anga. Ba fa nang ate karanga ate like ate man karanga like. Ata bu nyale. Bande karamante like ndefana ma like. We don't like each other. We hate each other. Understand? So, but Obo Yota, Obo deliver it lately. 8 years. Obo Yoni and Safar Yoni. Yes. So from there, you see the point? You see the point? And Safar side, you will say, and I'm a president, you will say. I got Melagati. So, above all these things, so what I get in this thing, my closing remark, to be frank or to be serious, do you know what is the problem in Gambia? Among Gambia and found Africa found because why Ibuka Karang ila Kangala, William Madani. No man is stupid in this world. Nde men ka fail. Nabo men ka fail Spain. Anu oboy men muna mastery. Gambia kono otuje me a fail more than oboy. Ni non fendi ba kan president ko la. But oboy tani ka fail ko oboy. Oboy ka ju so ga ta ba nyim bosi. Wala kan ko mo ko ali nga Burundi back to school. But ning atin nga karan na kangal la. Alay men moy oboy da ko jatin kala. But ko way Gambia karan wande kanala. Africa fa jama bi ka karan wande kanala. And ka fe ni wande kanala man ki la kanti. Fe waje bi nga moka science karan in school. I graduate anin kata kendo at fendara la fa so ka sada no moy. Al tatwa bo la scientist ol jibe. You can it is science karan but you cannot be a scientist. Al tuabola scientists will give it. And I'll be the same ABC, the current AD stand for two Latin word, where are they? And Domini. Far more civil like Nyokanji. Understand? So I know civil like Nyokanji, but look at in another way, another scientists will give it. And another science and scientists will give it. Because you know, fear fending yakari like count, being a moja only have to look at that. Ning other current account of family. Family, the Chris. Jere wan tuba bol jibe ibiga kare da kanala itara Portugal ka karam Portuguese la yes ikere kankara itara Spain the same thing itara Italy the same thing itara Sweden the same thing Angleterre the same thing Africa no be wandi kan kabina sa don tuba bol ali alla kan for ya julo taslam al nyantal fon la kankara ni we fon la kankara al bagala gambero be moto dala li fay mo dem tuba bol jekal yo compete yaje look at this. You see? Motorola is from Sweden, Finland. Motorola, Finland, no, Samsung, China, Korea. Again, I forget. No. This thing, I forget. Should this only been the get in a total control? Yellow. I forget. Yellow. Don't have you. You see? So, if you can't, to what would be about loud like be fella. In a sense, only cool because why? Nga wandi kana karang. Nga wandi kana karang wala kinan ndel ku kino lam fay def ndala lam fay. Ya yi ma ko Africa me mo laji. Muk. Adu da say disul yokat wala say disul jibe ka benke. So ni man filming karam no le kan du ta understand what the way. Ando nyaaji be fam mo fu du so ko janyame. Ka bring the age of 6 years. If you come to school. 6 good years. You go to nursery school. Ya dream maji tangi na nonti din kale mu ibuje ko ngata primary school ya dirde yo fara ma ko grade 6 ita grade 7 to grade 9 ibo grade 9 for grade 12 ibo je ko ta college karanka fo ni be iko sayndi sole ko boro farata la no an ka sangyo men fan karan fo wala xam ko kan karan mo fi ka karan ki maga mo fi ka karan sanyi mo ba karan to wa nyaji karan fi ka da papa because no I understand it very fast because why everything is written in their language osuna bakele memba fi lo da lamu do le iba fura don karima kata bar kariya felle o kumati na je ka fon tele jango 54 do you think is it in our language mun ne fam ko la tin beti e ka mo gel fam ala kan fam amoy ama angali kan fam amoy ala local language ama amoy ala kan amoy what pain me fala banko kam ben na classe yo kono fala banko kam karamuñ fam ben sa do fala kono e ka fon kan na kan fuji ka fon no mo fanakla in this classroom Teacher kon akot class prefect. Please list down all the vernacular speakers. You are the new class captain. I don't know vernacular. Translate como kana mande kamfuja. Ngamo kana mande kamfuja. Sa skodom. Fati ento sabi. Understand? Why? Mande go ko ngana kanti. But ning atri nga mande nga ko be bebe kala bu ko Nake man nek na be kulne. Look at this. Isa live in Serekunda. He is 8 years old. Atana fara fini bada na chari musa sanye. Anana na hadi abarimbala ko yin kala ko tamida. Oh my god. That is info man you think this is right? Isa live in Serekunda. He is 8 years old. You tell who tell you he's 8 years old? Every morning he used to go to school and dancing and playing and oh yendaflako. Isa bora sere kunda la be sanji saile adum fenda kala school aji nindi ni fanka alo kana very simple he billah wala sai teacher for fikin Isa live in sere kunda he is 8 years old he like to study a book every Saturday and Sunday he like to go with pastor he like to eat with pastor his father every Saturday and every morning he will go with his father they go to beach and beach cup they go oh Jesus why now why ta fona Isa wala sele kundale am sanyi sele ana fama kata logino la ina bra logino la Isa wakito bakele kastodi ke so swito anindi basola akata ana friend sorry e kata football la but Isa kata moti me andaka wakita kata moto bake ana gele to very simple ana mo sona indikira aka ko be ton wandi kan aka fu fram nga pass by français we can't pass we are tired nafla boko yani we are tired wanda school de bari awaka oboy adaka ho we are tired so anyway dañu nak modi no ni atari nga kambe fu ndakara alban na jira no man is stupid yes so wala mun nak modi because munam wandi kan man sone hani fa la kay mo fa so wandi kan ajibe dron bi ni la fa above tan na grade 12 for jibe la classroom ko no biwa. You just speak English language with them. Nico Heron, hi, hello. I'll tell them 5 minutes. Kana murukoma. You might get go graduate student. Look at the way they talk. Don't blame them. Welcome to Abone more than Denny. Yella you come fruit more block. Hey, my time when you fuck out, Hanim can you from wrong, can you get out? Hanim medium can do little bit mistakes wrong. Is African and care about look at English or broke. For my account. Mulbook, when they come from the go broke. When they come fight, how broke. The way they speak, they broke it. But Obukani Yaman for but you can you broke it. Understand? Albitaka, more kingdom, Albitaka. It's a broken mandinka. Albitaka, Anima. What's wrong? More killing Albitaka. It's a guy Albitaka. What's wrong? But no more for talk at 30, but no more for oh. Ni mo de drug I broke down. So come go board ndako board at time. My brother, did she win or did she go? It's not she. But no single man didn't go because of it's a man or it's a man, it did she go? But it's okay, tell me never so much. I broke enough for my account. You dey crazy? I cannot hear that teaching God land. but hema ge wandi kan siti tarawna problem is Africa me fang la kala so Gambia ni ata Gambia e fang la kankarang bilal be bala kama Gambia be Motorola la be Samsung la abe ni to abole BMW bonna ndel be DVD dabula bonna moto but wabul jibe every year be nyokoti bora every year be alon look at this yame American ni Nokia bondi sama Range Rover sinindi ba fa ko xamé tabakan fel bondi ndel hansa ba fa ko he boy Renault boy oh boy kala BMW boy oh boy kala boy Suzuki boy kandel be tan drong andu bi old ne be ka sen ngal dem be kala kilo ka yes but why because muna mo ndel dip non dano deeply because muna mo me wondi kala gang ite wondi lo la boy hani sida ko muku to abul ka même bon ndel la banko muku ko bon no je fe kala ka titan I go to school you go to school where you wear uniform I wear uniform you pass I fail did they worry you Chris then kabo
You come cry.
Whatever.
Imioji, raka kama na po.
I didn't say subscribe. Okay, thank you.
Kula yere jismami mfolo.